Hello guys, welcome to another video of Lantomoto. Today we are going to talk about modern day gadgets which can be helpful in our daily life. So let's get started. Guys, if you are looking for a water purifier which can not only purify water but also can give boil water as well as cold water in an affordable price, then this gadget is for you. Presenting Nano, the next generation water purifier which can not only purify water but also can give boiled and cold water. As the name suggests, Nano, that is, it is a small gadget which can be easily moved from one place to another. The Nano Purifier provides crystal clear water. The capacity of the purifier is 5700 liters, that is 1500 gallons. The purifier provides Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The company provides an app for controlling the purifier through the mobile devices. The app can give information about temperature, filter life and hygiene of the purifier. Also, it can calculate the daily water consumption. There is an availability of energy saver mode in the app. The notification is sent by the device to your phone in case there is a problem in the purifier. The Nano Purifier is found to be a best gadget as it performs many operations in affordable price. So that is for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting more updates. I will meet you in another video. Till then, goodbye.